Who's ready for a cocktail? I mean, me. Do you want to see how to make an espresso martini with ice cream? Yeah, ice cream. Look at that bad boy. Look at that daddy. If this is not the best espresso martini you've ever seen, I don't want to talk to you.
Let me talk to you.
Very, very thirsty. You know what I mean? I have made an espresso martini before, if you didn't see that on Cocktails from Around the World. However, there's a new spin on it. There's a new way. There's a way. I'm gonna make it with coffee ice cream instead of espresso. Look at that, daddy. I wanna be the bean to your coffee. Go at your leisure, whatever measurements you want. This is just how I do it over here at BBL. To start with your coffee ice cream of choice. I just happen to love Atomic Creamery. It is liquid nitrogen ice cream. That's how they make it. It's good. I have like 100 pints in my freezer.
I love ice cream.
Vodka of choice, whatever you would like. This is a 2-ounce jigger, spigot, whatever it is. Amateur bartender, amateur, not profesh.
What is this, amateur hour?
Flip it and reverse it. What's up, Missy? We do need a little bit more liqueur. I had somebody make me an espresso martini the other day and it was literally just vodka and they poured espresso in it and I go, where's the foam? Where's the 3 beans? Like, where you at, bruh? Somebody sent me a new Martini Shaker. I have had the worst luck with Martini Shakers because you know when you start shaking them up? You guys know this, right? Tell me your horror stories down below. This thing gets stuck, right? So then you can't take it off.
Oh!
You know, if you're having a party for 12 people, your hands get frozen.
Holy smokes.
From all the ice. Nope. Insulated. Yep, that's right. And this top is not gonna stick. So then you shake. Just twisting right off. Woo! Did you hear that? Oh my God. Ooh-wee. Bean me.
Hey, does anybody want coffee?
Wow. Oh, I need a moment by myself. Nothing better on my lips. That is good and strong, just like my men.